With steel workers in Pittsburgh and retail workers in Maryland, I laid out part 4, making sure hard work pays off for men and women, with wages you can live on, savings you can retire on, and health insurance.
Retail health clinics, walk-in clinics, regular primary clinics, an emergency department, and
it can't be retail driven so much as it's got to be investment and really global competitiveness, export oriented, to give us the kind of sustainable recovery we're looking for.
The outdoor industry accounts for $289 billion in retail sales and services, provides 6.5 million jobs across this country, which REI has about 9,500 of them.
Well, listen, what I just want to say to the reporters who are here, you've got 3 small businesses who are outstanding examples of American entrepreneurship, whether it's food services, retail, construction.
We afford to do. No, they're asking what more can we do? Now, some of you might be saying, sure, Walmart's in retail. They've got stores in every corner of the country. They're hiring for all.
Sectors like retail, telecom, and manufacturing are gaining speed. And we know that there are airport workers and fast food workers and nurse assistants and retail salespeople who work their tails off and are still living at or barely above poverty.
I could not find work anywhere in the construction industry, and so I started to apply for work in fast food restaurants and retail stores.
And keep in mind that these days in retail sales or fast food or in a lot of different occupations, the minimum wage is not just going to teenagers. Expanding sectors like manufacturing and retail. As you work to give every Indian household a bank account, American companies are ready to help to make sure these accounts can help Indians in their day-to-day lives by digitalizing retail transactions.
And at Seedcom, we've worked with a lot of companies across retail, technology, and logistics.